Sure. This was a randomized clinical trial in which individuals received 6 weeks of either self-hypnosis for reduction of hot flashes, or they received a sham hypnosis control intervention. Um, the sham control also involved 6 sessions, and so they were matched in terms of the amount of contact and providing audio recordings to participants. What we found is that at the end of 6 weeks, hot flashes had decreased by about 53% for those that received the self-hypnosis group. And at the 3 month follow-up, hot flashes had decreased by over 60% overall. The benefit was a little bit stronger for breast cancer survivors. So at the 3 month follow-up, for breast cancer survivors, hot flashes had decreased by about 64% on average. So this study was really important because previous research has really focused on therapist-delivered hypnotherapy. In those studies, it was found that uh, hypnotherapy, when delivered specifically for hot flashes among postmenopausal women and breast cancer survivors, has been effective in reducing hot flashes in the range of 60 to 80% on average. However, women's ability to get access to the intervention has been limited since there's a limited number of therapists and also the cost of individual sessions. This study really showed that the clinical hypnosis intervention, which largely consisted of learning self-hypnosis and listening to daily audio recordings of hypnosis sessions, could be self-administered, meaning women could do it on their own. So that really has important implications that this self-hypnosis intervention can be widely disseminated. Um, it is possible that it can be available to women around the world, really. And also, it's at a relatively low cost, meaning that once a person learns how to do self-hypnosis for hot flashes and improving sleep, they can continue to benefit. So even in this study, although the intervention itself and contact with participants ended after 6 weeks, hot flashes not only continued to decline, so that really showed that the treatment gains didn't relapse or stop after the intervention, but women continued to practice the self-hypnosis and hot flashes continued to decline even after all of the phone calls and the study itself had stopped. That's a great question. So I will mention the um, hypnotherapy intervention. It is now available through an app from Mindset Health. The app is called the EVIA app, and it also delivers hypnotherapy intervention, meaning it provides a way to track hot flashes and then daily self-hypnosis sessions. Self-hypnosis is a relatively safe intervention and it doesn't really have side effects. And so it can be combined with virtually any other uh, treatment recommendation that the person's healthcare provider might recommend, whether that be a low dose hormone replacement therapy using self-hypnosis in combination. It can make it possible to get on a lower dose if that's preferred. Antidepressants and supplements have also been used for uh, treatment of hot flashes during the menopause transition. And there's no reason that self-hypnosis couldn't be combined with any of these other options, and perhaps just empower women, give them more choice and more options in terms of management of these symptoms. So we're really looking at two additional lines of research. So one is a larger randomized clinical trial in which the self-hypnosis intervention can be just integrated into healthcare practice. So for example, if in a clinic, if every woman with menopausal hot flashes is offered self-hypnosis or an alternative to really understand like how does it work in everyday real life clinical practice. The other is that this research also showed that sleep was improved. And for many women, improvement in sleep is as big of an issue as reduction in hot flashes. And so that's really our next step in the research is to examine how the self-hypnosis intervention can improve sleep quality and the duration of sleep during the menopause transition. That's really where we're focusing on as the next step. I would just add that clinical hypnosis involves a natural state of focused attention. In many ways, it's similar to meditation, mindfulness, relaxation, and mental imagery techniques. It's different in that it is very focused on a particular symptom, but it's not what people sometimes see in stage shows or commercials or magic shows, hypnosis shows. Um, Hypnosis is really a natural ability that everyone has. It can benefit almost everyone. And so we're really looking toward self-hypnosis being the new mind-body therapy that everybody can learn, everybody can benefit from.